Start.
Okay. Warm welcome to the technical seminar. My technical seminar topic is deep neural network, and these are my contents. What is deep neural network? Abstract, introduction, working on DNN, application, framework, types of DNN, algorithms, conclusion. First, what is deep neural network? A deep neural network is an artificial neural network with multi-layers between the input and output layers. A neural network consists of several connected units called nodes. These are the smallest parts of the neural network and act as the neurons in the human brain. When a neuron receives a signal, it triggers a process. The signal is passed from one neuron to another based on input received. A complex network is formed that learns from the feedback. The nodes are grouped into layers. A task is solved by processing the various layers between the input and output layers. The greater the number of layers to be processed, the deeper the network, therefore the term deep learning. And here comes the abstract. It is a simple neural network. The inspiration behind the creation of deep neural network is the human brain. Working way beyond the if and else conditions, the deep neural network software predicts and gives solutions. With deep neural network artificial intelligence, there is no need for programming and coding to get the output. The conclusions are made based on learning and experience like human brain. Deep neural network. Next. Our scheme works for general classification tasks and can easily combine with current learning algorithms. We show experimentally that such a watermark has no noticeable impact on the primary task that the model is designed for and evaluate the robustness of our proposal against a multitude of practical attacks. And then introduction. Deep neural network learning is becoming an integral part of the digital world across the multiple sectors. Some examples are Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant, product recommendations in Amazon, autonomous driving in Tesla, Prisma and Face app. They are globally well-known virtual assistants. Deep neural networks is transforming the world. The application of a deep structure can provide significant improvements in speech recognition results compared to previously used techniques. However, modifying the network architecture also requires modifications to the training algorithm because the conventional backpropagation algorithm encounters difficulties when training many layered feed-forward network. And then it's how it is working on DNN. In recent years, there have been a lot of excitement with deep learning, DNN and deep neural networks, and there have been breakthrough results in various domains, including starting with image classification, then in speech recognition, and finally in natural language uses processing like machine translation. So a deep neural network, very simply speaking, is network which is deep, that is which has many hidden layers. A network with two hidden layers is enough to represent any function, but it may not be easy to learn all complex functions using a network in two layers. As you increase the layers in the network, it is easier to be able to represent complex function in the terms of simple functions. So you can have a network with many hidden layers, and you can call this a deep network. The people found that when you have a deep network, the number of the error surface becomes very rough and there is lot of local mining. In this input and hidden layers and output layers, here all layers are connected. Now in back propagation, The error at the output was propagated and this error propagated to the previous layer. Now there are a few things. Most of the error at output was based on this error. These weights were being changed. Next, these are the applications in recent years, how it was working and on which application. In 2003, the author Tyson Lee David Musford using particle filtering and Bayesian belief propagation on hierarchical Bayesian inference in the usual. In 2006, complementary trios on belief network using on a digit classification. In 2019, Muhammad Abdul Rahman Gosdal and Geoffrey Hinton using backpropagation and associative memory architecture on deep belief networks for phone recognition. In 2012, Abdul Hamid Osama, Muhammad Abdul Rahman Jiang Pen Gerala using local filtering and max pooling in frequency domain on multi-speaker speech recognition. In 2015, Kiran B. Raja, R. Raghavendra, Vinay Krishna Vemuri, Christoph Bush using deep space filtering on iris recognition by using smartphones cameras. In 2017, Francisco Mara, Giovanni Poggi, Carlos Senson, Luisi Verdoliva using convolutional neural networks method on iris sensor model identification. These are the applications in recent years. These are the next frameworks. The deep learning framework offers reusable code blocks. These reusable code blocks provide various modules and help in abstracting the logical blocks. Here for better understanding, there are few classified into two frameworks: low-level frameworks and high-level frameworks. Low-level frameworks give the basic abstraction block. They are flexible and can be customized as per the requirement. Some of the popular learning frameworks are as follows: MXNet, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. High-level frameworks. High-level frameworks simplify the work by aggregating the abstraction further. However, high-level frameworks do not offer much flexibility and customization. The source is converted into a The source is converted into a required low-level framework before executing them. Some of the popular learning high-level frameworks are Learn and Keras. Where MXNet and TensorFlow are used as backends respectively. PyTorch by Facebook and TensorFlow by Google are popular learning framework. The learning curve of PyTorch is easy as compared to TensorFlow. Hence, it is preferred for producing a deep neural network learning model and prototyping. Keras is another famous framework due to its ability to provide quick learning prototyping. And then types of deep neural networks. These are the types of deep neural network: artificial neural network, convolution neural network, recurrent neural network. These artificial neural net these deep neural networks mostly act as the base for the pre-trained models in deep learning. The artificial neural network is deep feed forward neural network as it processes inputs in the forward direction only. ANN or artificial neural networks are capable of learning nonlinear functions. And next, the convolution neural networks. The convolution neural networks based models in deep neural networks are used in video and image processing. Filters or kernels are the building blocks of convolution neural networks. By using conventional operators, kernel extract relevant and correct features from the input data. Recurrent neural network. is designed to overcome the looping constraint in artificial neural network in hidden layers. Deep recurrent networks are capable of solving problems related to audio data, text data, and time series data. Recurrent neural networks mainly works on parameter sharing and then algorithms. These are the algorithms using mainly in deep neural networks. There are a number of algorithms that are quite popular these days. LSTMS, long short-term memory networks, MLPS, multi-layer perceptrons, RBFNS, radial basis function networks, DBNS, deep belief networks, GA and generative adversarial networks, RBMS, restricted Boltzmann machines, SYMS, self-organizing maps, and autoencoders. In some, and here conclusion. In summary, the articles in our special session demonstrate that there continues to be rapid progress in acoustic models that use DNNS and that similar methods are applicable in related domains such as music. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Go to your second slide.
Okay. Yeah, ma'am.
Is it your work or you're presenting somebody else's paper?
No, ma'am. It's mine, ma'am.
Huh? Have you worked on neural networks?
Ma'am, deep neural network is a part of the neural network, ma'am.
From where you have taken this information?
From Google, I have searched and
Our scheme works. We show experimentally. Are you showing experimentally? Have you designed some scheme?
ma'am, like